If you think this is a clip from a Hollywood movie scene, then you are wrong. I just created this video using Seedance 2.0. Look at the motion, the consistency, the real-world physics simulation, sound design, color grading. Everything is Hollywood level. I just created all these clips using Seedance 2.0 within a few minutes. In this video, I am going to share the method of accessing Seedance 2.0 and making cinematic video clips. Let's dive in. Alright, so if you've tried AI video tools before, Runway, Pika, Kling, whatever, you know the drill. You type a prompt, cross your fingers, and hope the AI doesn't give you some weird morphing nightmare, right? Yeah, we've all been there. But Seedance 2.0, completely different game. The capability of Seedance 2.0 is beyond imagination. Let's try it out together. Okay, where can we access Seedance 2.0? Although it is not open to the public, you can access it via API. But I have good news for you. Now you can access Seedance and create amazing video clips on Shinn AI. It's a multimodal generative AI tools hub for creators. You can access almost all the popular AI video and image generators. The aim is to create amazing images and videos with intelligence. I will put the link in the description. You just have to create your account. Now, to access Seedance 2.0, come to the tool mode from here, and then select video from categories. Okay, this is the Shinn AI video generator interface. First of all, we have to select the video generation model. Here, you can see all the popular and latest video generator models. I am selecting the Seedance 2.0 model. After selecting the model, we have the reference image option. Here, you can see that you can upload 6 reference images to create a video. This time, I am uploading this image as the character reference. After that, you can upload up to 3 video clips for reference. It can be used as a style, motion, or audio reference. Next, we have to enter the prompt. I am entering a very basic prompt. Single continuous cinematic shot of a young woman running and jumping on rooftops in Greece, like a cinema chase scene. After entering the prompt, hit the aspect ratio. In the end, you can set the video duration. You can generate 4 to 15-second video clips using Seedance 2.0. For this video, I am selecting the longest duration. Once everything is set, hit the generate button and then wait for some time. And here it is, the video clip is ready. This is quite something else. I honestly think this is not AI generated. It's a scene from a film. The motion control, the character consistency across the video, the camera work, and even the BGM are cinematic elements, and it looks like real footage. Especially the physics simulation is the best of the best I have ever seen. I love this video clip. Okay, now let's create something more complex. I want to create a multi-camera video shot with this car. So, I am uploading the car image. After that, I will enter the prompt here in this box. This time, I am entering a detailed prompt with every scene description and a timestamp. After that, I will set the settings and then generate the video. And here it is, the video is ready. And look at the result. This is really outstanding. I only uploaded a car reference image. Seedance 2.0 creates a perfect film sequence with multiple adaptations. Although I noticed some minor issues in this video clip, we can fix this using a more detailed prompt. Alright, now let's move forward to the next video. Multi-reference video. Imagine I want to recreate this video using these characters. So, what do I have to do? I am uploading the character images. Once the character images are uploaded, I will upload the reference video clip. After that, come to the prompt section. I am typing, make the characters from. Now type at, and you will find all the assets. I am selecting image 1. After selecting image 1, select image 2. Now, I am typing, fight using the movements from the reference video. Setting, abandoned parking lot. Add visual effects during combat. After entering the prompt, I will set all the settings and then generate the video. And here is the result. you can see that Seedance completely creates a new video using our characters. It adapts the motion from the video and creates a perfect fight scene using our characters. The visual effects make our video more interesting. I really love this. Next, you can edit video using Seedance 2.0. Maybe you want to swap out a character, change someone's outfit, add an element to the background, or completely flip the narrative. Let's say you have this video but you want to replace the person with a different character. Prompt: replace the person in at video 1 with the character from at image 1. Replicate all original actions and camera work. Same video, different character, everything else stays the same. You can even do narrative reversals. Take a serious dramatic scene and turn it into a comedy. Basically, now you have the whole of Hollywood in your pocket. So who is this actually for? What can you use it for? Let me break down some real-world use cases. If you're selling products online, you need video. But hiring a videographer is expensive. With Seedance, you can create cinematic product showcases, replicate winning ad styles with your own products, generate multi-angle demos with professional camera work, add voiceover and music automatically. You can create social media content, TikTok, Reels, YouTube Shorts. They all need constant content. Seedance is perfect for beat-synced montages from still images. If you're a filmmaker or creative, you can use this for pre-visualization. Next, Seedance does multi-language lip sync. You can take a video in English, reference the motion and camera work, and regenerate it with dialogue in Spanish, Mandarin, Korean, whatever. Native lip sync. The mouth movements match the new language. If you're creating content for global audiences, this is huge. The tool is easy. The barrier to entry is gone, which means the only thing that matters now is your creativity. Don't just copy prompts and post. Ask yourself, could anyone else make this? If the answer is yes, add more of yourself to it. Seedance 2.0 is available right now on sgin.ai. I'll drop the link in the description. They also have a full guide and a prompt collection with over 200 examples. I'll link those too. If you make something cool with this, tag me. I want to see it. And if this video helped, hit the like button, subscribe for more AI tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one. Now go make something insane.